In a world that constantly demands our movement and our labor, the most radical act is often to simply sit still. To do that well, one needs a foundation that doesn't fight back. The Vesgantti 114-inch modular sectional is less a piece of furniture and more an invitation to surrender. It is a boneless creation, a term that sounds almost strange until the body meets the surface. By stripping away the rigid wooden frames and the biting metal springs of traditional sofas, this design relies entirely on the discipline of high-resilience foam. It is soft, yet it possesses a quick rebound memory that refuses to sag under the weight of a long afternoon. At 114 inches, this is not a timid object. It is a sprawling landscape of comfort, offering seats that are nearly 30 inches deep and over 31 inches wide. This is a design that respects the human form in all its variations, providing ample room for those who need a bit more space or for those who simply wish to disappear into the depths of a cushion. Even the armrests serve a purpose beyond the aesthetic. At nearly 10 inches wide, they act as sturdy, level plateaus for a morning coffee or a laptop, bridging the gap between a productive workspace and a sanctuary of rest. The beauty of the modular system is that it acknowledges the fluidity of life. We are not the same people every day, and our living rooms shouldn't be either. The 4 separate sections can be rearranged with the ease of a child's building blocks. One day, it is a disciplined L-shaped sectional for hosting. The next, it is pushed together into an oversized sleeper for a dedicated couch rotting day. That modern necessary ritual of complete emotional and physical recovery. Anti-slip bottoms ensure that despite the lack of a heavy frame, the pieces stay exactly where they are placed, standing firm against the tides of daily use. Then there is the matter of the fabric. Chenille is a choice of both luxury and pragmatism. It is soft to the touch, lending a quiet elegance to a room, yet it possesses a hidden toughness that pet owners will find miraculous. There is a specific peace of mind that comes when a cat decides a new sofa is its personal throne. While other fabrics might shred or pill under the pressure of claws, this material remains unbothered, showing no marks of the struggle. It is a pet-friendly fortress that happens to look like a high-end designer piece. Perhaps the greatest virtue of this sectional is the absence of a struggle before the comfort begins. There are no bags of screws, no indecipherable diagrams, and no lost afternoons spent wrestling with an Allen wrench. It arrives vacuum-packed, a compressed promise of what is to come. Once unboxed, it requires only a gentle pat and 72 hours of patience to fully expand into its intended glory. It is a lesson in the power of waiting. To choose a sofa of this scale and softness is to make a choice about how time will be spent. It is an investment in the quality of one's downtime, a recognition that the home should be the one place where the world cannot reach us. Whether it is used for deep sleep, family movie nights, or simply as a soft place to land after a brutal day, it performs its duty without complaint. It is large, it is simple, and it is profoundly comfortable. It is exactly what a modern home requires to feel like a haven.